In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop on Capcut. Whether you're editing a simple video or an important project, mastering how to crop on Capcut can really make a difference in how your final product looks. So, let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up the Capcut app on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new project. It's really easy, just look for that new project button and give it a tap. This sets up a fresh canvas where you can bring in your video or photo to edit. With your new project open, the next step is to add the media you want to work with. So go ahead and select the video or photo that you'd like to crop. Once you've made your selection, it will pop up on the timeline at the bottom of the screen, which is where all the editing magic happens. Now that your media is on the timeline, it's time to tap on that clip. This is an important step because it highlights the clip and lets Capcut know that this is the particular part of your project you want to work on. After selecting your clip, you'll be presented with various editing options. You'll want to look for the option labelled Edit and tap on it. This is where you can really start personalising your clip. In the Edit menu, tap on Transform and then navigate through the options until you find Resize. Within the Resize options, you'll see Crop. Tap on it, and now you're ready to adjust the frame of your clip. When you get to the cropping screen, you can manually adjust the frame to your liking. Just drag the corners or edges to set your preferred aspect ratio or focus. You might want to pay attention to the composition of your video here. A well-cropped video can greatly enhance the storytelling or visual impact. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, look for the check mark on the screen and tap it. This will apply the changes, locking in your cropped frame, and there you have it. Your video or photo is cropped just the way you want it. Cropping is a fantastic tool to highlight specific parts of your media or to simply improve its framing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made you feel more confident with cropping in Capcut. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore other features Capcut offers. Happy editing!